2, 3, 4। हाय फ्रेंड्स, लॉकटॉक में आप सोच रहे होंगे कि रीटा हरिया ये एक्सरसाइज क्या कर रही है। तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूंगी कि आज जो हमारे साथ पर्सनालिटी जुड़ने जा रहे हैं, जिनका नाम है सिमोनी सैया, और जो फिटनेस को कुछ अलग तरह से देखती हैं, जो आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ को भी करेक्ट करती हैं, आपको सही समय पर क्या खाना चाहिए वो भी आपको समझाती हैं। तो आइए लॉकटॉक पे बातें करें हम सिमोनी सैया के साथ। हाय सिमोनी, वेलकम टू आवर लॉकटॉक। सबसे पहला सवाल आपके लिए ये है कि आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन के बारे में प्लीज आप हमें डिटेल में बताइए।
Hello everyone, hope you're doing really good in this lockdown. Thank you Rita auntie for having me on this show. So about my education, I did my Master of Science in Dance and Movement Psychotherapy, which means I'm a traditional psychotherapist. We deal with patients who come into our space. We do talk therapy or counseling psychotherapy with them. In addition to that, I have specialized in dance and movement psychotherapy. So there are many types of therapies in the School of Psychology. This is just one of them, and I have specialized in that. Now many people ask me, will you just make us dance and like problems will go away? I wish it was that easy. The whole understanding of dance movement therapy is that the mind and body are connected. Your mind affects your body. Your body reflects the state of your mind. Whatever you're feeling, thinking, believing, it's reflected in your body. If that connection is true, can the reverse be applied as well? Which means, can the body be used to revive the mind? That's the basic crux of dance movement therapy, and that's where the whole science is based at. Next, I'm a KMP certified analyst, which means I'm a body movement analyst. We take your body movement patterns and analyze them to draw up a personality profile. When you walk into my space, there's a whole method of making you move. Then I would record your movement patterns, analyze them into conscious and unconscious patterns, and draw up a personality profile. And then we can get into correctional therapy if it's needed. Lastly, I'm heavily into fitness. I'm ACSM certified, which is the American College of Sports Medicine. So right now I have 4 accreditations against my name, which is MS, RDMT, KMP and ACSM. And I love education, and I want to keep accruing accreditations and keep updating myself with wonderful knowledge in the world.
आपने अपना एक स्टूडियो शुरू किया है, प्रोफेशनली आप कुछ फिटनेस की दुनिया में अलग कर रही हैं। क्या आप हमें डिटेल में बताएंगी कि आप प्रोफेशनली क्या कर रही हैं?
Professionally speaking, I always wanted to have my own space, so I founded Holistic Studios in Matunga. It took me 8 months to design this unique space that I have now. We have the complete setup for aerial yoga, for Iyengar yoga. We have a full functional fitness setup going on, and we have the whole TRX Roth setup. We have a nutritionist on board to guide clients with their nutrition needs. Basically, we're a complete shop for your fitness requirements. With psychotherapy, I used to work at Dr. Ernest Borges' home. It's a cancer patient home in BKC. I recently quit, and I'm just getting into private practice with psychotherapy.
Simoni Saiya, a perfectionist, very particular girl, and always believes in discipline, right? So I'm sure you must be having some special theory for the fitness. Can you please explain us?
My fitness theory at Holistic Studios is that fitness is an ecosystem, and I chose a circle to represent that ecosystem. Your health and fitness is an ecosystem, which means there are many elements that need to work together for you to be a very healthy and fit individual. You cannot go to the gym 3 times a week and expect that you're a really fit individual. You need to exercise right, you need to eat right, you need to sleep well, your mental health needs to be really nice, you need to have good positive thoughts. There needs to be a whole mind and body balance. And when all of these elements come together and you are succeeding in all of these elements, that's when you can truly call yourself fit or healthy.
हाय सिमोनी, आई एम श्योर ये लॉकडाउन में आप कुछ ऐसा यूनिक कर रही होंगी कि जिससे आप कई लोगों को भी इंस्पायर कर पाएंगी। तो हमें जानना है कि वो यूनिक चीज क्या है।
What unique thing am I doing in this lockdown? Just like everyone else, cooking, cleaning, reading, watching episodes of new series. Well, all the work and all my classes have moved online, so I'm still doing personal training. I'm still taking my classes online. It's going really well. And another thing that I have done in this lockdown is I started a mental health awareness page. We go by the name of Healing Halo. It's very simple content about what is therapy, how to choose a therapist for yourself, where to find a therapist for yourself. Simple mental health content that you can read in about 2 or 3 minutes and educate yourself about a specific concept. If you're interested, please follow my page, The Healing Halo. I shall also share a link with you guys, and I hope to write good content for you.
इतना यूनिक क्वालिफिकेशन और इतनी पर्टिकुलरनेस अपने नेचर में जब आपके साथ रहते हैं तो आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट बी हैविंग सम ग्रेट फ्यूचर प्लान्स. कैन यू प्लीज शेयर विद अस?
My future plans are to combine my 2 specializations, which is psychotherapy and fitness, and do something unique in that space. I plan to start fitness workshops or fitness classes for special populations. I think that's a very untapped territory, and not many people are attempting to do that or have done that. So I am really looking forward to how that shapes up in India.
सिमोनी, आप हम सबको फिटनेस की कुछ स्पेशल टिप्स, कुछ स्पेशल एडवाइस क्या देना चाहेंगी?
My advice to you for fitness will be, don't make fitness an activity of the day. Make it your lifestyle. You don't have to go to your class, your fitness class thrice a week or your gym thrice a week and then expect that you're going to become healthy. But make healthy choices from the time you wake up, live it throughout the day and sleep it throughout the night. Also, you don't need expensive equipments or machinery to keep yourself fit. All you need is a mat, a really motivated mind and your body to keep yourself fit.
Amazon और Netflix की आज की इस दुनिया में आज के हमारे यंगस्टर्स को आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे?
A message for all the young people out there at the crossroads, probably trying to figure out what they want to do with their lives or trying to pick a degree for themselves, that don't limit yourself to the traditional CA, lawyer, engineer, MBA degrees. I'm not saying they're bad or they're obsolete. All I'm saying is that get them and try to think of a way to push the boundary. There are many new integrating and emerging fields that you probably don't know about. I didn't know that dance movement therapy existed in some part of the world. But I kept on reading a lot, I kept on educating a lot. I am very curious. If I read the word dance movement therapy somewhere and I googled it out to understand that this is such a wonderful field. So if you have a bizarre idea in your mind, don't judge yourself, Google it and see what other people are doing. Also, constantly keep on updating yourself with workshops, seminars. There are such amazing education resources available in these times. There are free courses, there's Coursera, there's Udemy, there's so many new things happening. Constantly update yourself, find new possibilities to push the boundaries and go dream and go live your great life.